How to sign up for GoAffPro affiliate program. Hello everyone, today we have an exciting topic for all you aspiring affiliates out there. We'll be guiding you through the process of signing up for the GoAffPro affiliate program. GoAffPro is a fantastic affiliate marketing platform that connects you with brands you love, and it's an excellent way to earn commissions. So if you're ready to boost your affiliate income, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let me give you a quick overview of what GoAffPro Affiliates program is all about. As an affiliate, you can partner with various brands and earn commissions by promoting their products or services. It's a win-win situation where you help businesses grow and you can get reward for your efforts. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you land on this page. Once you are on the GoAffPro website, take some time to explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with its feature and understand how it can benefit you as an affiliate marketer. It's essential to know what tools you have at your disposal. Once you're ready to sign up, scroll down and look for a button Sign Up. Once you're ready to sign up, look for a button that says Sign Up. As you can see, here are the 3 steps for affiliates. The first step is to create an account. So click on Sign Up. Here you need to provide your name, email address and password. Then you need to choose your dashboard. Click on I am an affiliate. Once you have completed the required fields and agreed to their terms and conditions, and you have submitted your application. Now the waiting games begin. GoAffPro will review your application. The approval process can vary, but you will receive an email notification once your application is approved. Once approved, you will receive an email from GoAffPro with instruction on how to access your affiliate dashboard. This is where you will find your unique affiliate tracking links and other resources to help you promote products and start earning commission. As you can see, here is the earning graph, and here it shows your clicks, your orders and your earnings. You can also check your payouts and the stores. Congratulations, you are now a GoAffPro affiliate. You can start promoting products and services with your unique affiliate link and begin earning commission for each sale or lead. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribing for more affiliate marketing tips and tutorials. If you have any question or need any further assistance, feel free to leave them in comment sections below. Best of luck with your affiliate journey, and as always, happy marketing.